Very good morning to one and all. Welcome to the lecture series RF Design Module number 3 Frequency Generation and Mixer. In previous lecture number 23 we discussed about the single ended diode mixer for the down converter which produces the output frequency from low pass filter, that is intermediate frequency, and in terms of the difference component of two input frequencies. So here in today's lecture we discuss about the FET mixer. So FET mixer, there are several FET parameters which will be used, which offer the non-linearities that can be used for the mixing. But strongest is the transconductance when FET operating in common source configuration. So in FET mixer we deal with the single-ended FET mixer. So today's lecture we define a single ended FET mixers. So there are the several parameters which will be used to define the parameter offer the non-linearities that can be used for mixing. The strongest parameter of FET which offer the non-linearities is a transconductance. So which parameter on base the working principle transconductance of the FET, that is denoted by GM. When the FET is operated in common source configuration with negative gate bias voltage, which will be shown in this figure. So operating the working principle, the FET is operated in a common source configuration, with negative bias gate. So the figure will be shown. Negative bias voltage GM in millisecond, 30, 20, 10, 0, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, gate to source voltage. So this is a pinch off operating region. So this figure variation of FET transconductance versus gate to source voltage. The figure A shows the variation of transconductance with the bias for typical FET. When it is used as amplifier, the gate bias voltage is chosen near to 0 or slightly positive. So the transconductor is near its maximum. So when we choose minimum value of gate to source voltage, that the maximum value of the transconductance, and the transistor operate in linear region or device. When the gate bias is near a pinch off region where the transconductance approaches to 0 or small positive variation, the gate voltage again cause the large change in transconductance. So whenever we increase the pinch off voltage, means approaches to positive value, there is a increasing of the transconductance. So small positive variation of gate voltage can be large change in the transconductance, leading the non-linear response. Thus these characteristics of non-linearities will be used to generation of a frequency by using mixer. So thus the local oscillator voltage can be applied to the gate of the FET and pump the transconductance to switch the FET between high and low transconductance state and providing desired mixing function. So here a local oscillator voltage can be applied to the gate of FET for the pump the transconductance. To pump the transconductance and switch the FET from low to high between low to high transconductance state with the help of local oscillator voltage, thus providing a desired mixing function, so which provides a desired mixing function. So this is the working principle of single-ended FET mixer. So we see the basic block diagram of the circuit for a single-ended mixer, which consists of two input and one output. First block is a radio frequency or local oscillator duplexer with impedance matching circuit. Here applied two inputs. First one is a RF input and second one is a input from local oscillator input. A DC bias voltage provided to the gate through RF choke. Which is provided to the gate terminal of FET. Then low pass filter, here, and output is the intermediate frequency out. LO bypass, plus DC bias. Here again, here is a RF choke. This element is RF choke. So this is the circuit consists of duplexer and matching network, RF choke, FET, then RF choke and low pass filter. So this is the figure A, circuit for a single ended FET mixer. The circuit for single ended mixer, which is shown in this figure B. A duplexing coupler again used for combining the RF and local oscillator signal and given to the gate of the FET. The impedance matching network also usually required between the inputs and FET, which is typically present very low input impedance. RF chokes are used to bias the gate at negative voltage near pinch off to provide the positive bias drain FET, and a bypass capacitor drain provides return path to the local oscillator signal. So this bypass capacitor provides a return path to the local oscillator signal. A low pass filter provides the final IF output signal. So this is the actual working of this. So our analysis of mixer is shown. This is the circuit, but describe the reference. The simplified equivalent circuit will be drawn again. So equivalent circuit for single ended FET mixer. G RI capacitor between gate to source, voltage across capacitor, that is denoted as VC. GM into VC. Drain resistance, that is RD, and the load impedance, that is denoted by ZL, which generates the intermediate frequency. So here low voltage local oscillator which generates radio frequency. So this is the equivalent circuit for FAT mixers. Figure C indicates the equivalent circuit of the FAT mixer. The simplified equivalent circuit, which is shown based on the unilateral equivalent circuit of the FAT introduced, and RF and local arterial input voltage are given. Let Z is equal to Z of G is equal to R of G plus J into Xg, and load impedance is equal to RL plus J into XL. Thevenin's impedance, the intermediate output, the impedance is a complex allowed to conjugate match input and output ports maximum power transfer. The local port here has a real generator impedance of ZO since not concerned with the maximum power transfer. So since FET transconductance is driven by only local oscillator signal, so variation expressed in the terms of Fourier transform. So that terms in harmonics. So J of t is equal to G0 plus 2 summation n equal to 1 infinity Gn cos n omega 0 into t. So this is the equation number 1. Since this FET transconductance is driven by the local oscillator signal, so in time variation can be expressed in Fourier series in terms of the harmonics of the local oscillator, which is given in terms of the first. Because we do not have explicit the formula, the transconductance we cannot calculate directly from the equation 1, but relay measurement on these values as well as the desired a down conversion result is solely n equal to 1 and the Fourier series. So we need to find the coefficient G1 measurement, typically values of range 10 millisecond. So conversion gain for FET. So conversion gain of FET mixer can be defined as which is denoted by GC, power available at intermediate frequency available divided by power available at the RF available, so which is a ratio of drain voltage intermediate frequency divided by into RL ZL square divided by voltage at the radio frequency divided by 4 Rg, where Vd and is the drain voltage, so VDIF is a drain voltage are the Zg and Zl are the choose the maximum power impedance at RF and IF input ports. So RF frequency component, we can write down this GC is equal to 4R0 RL divided by ZL square divided by drain voltage at IF divided by VRF voltage square. So this is equation number, we can say this is the equation number second. So the frequency component of phasor voltage across the gate to source capacitance is given in terms of voltage driven Zg, Ri and Cgs. So we can write the gate to source, the phasor voltage. You can write down the phasor voltage across gate to source capacitance in terms of zeta, Ri and capacitor terms. So we see Rf is equal to Vrf divided by j omega Rf, gate to source capacitor, Ri plus Rj, Zj, bracket complete 1 j upon omega Rf into gate to source capacitor, which is equivalent to Vrf divided by 1 plus j omega angular frequency at radio frequency capacitor between gate to source Ri plus Zj. So this is the equation number 4th, which gives the voltage across the gate to source in terms of the capacitor. By multiplying equation 1 multiplying the transconductance equation 1 by instantaneous voltage of T is equal to Vc Rf cos Rf into T, and gives the formula so after multiplying by transconductance in terms of, so we see Rf into T G0, we see Rf cos omega Rf T plus 2G1, we see Rf cos omega Rf into T cos omega L into T plus so on. So this is the equation number, we can say 5. Down converted frequency component can be extracted from the second term, from this second term. Which is a trigonometric identity from the equation 5. So Gm of T is equal to Vc Rf into T G1 Vc Rf cos omega If into T. This is the equation number 6, where intermediate angular frequency is a difference between angular frequency of the radio frequency minus angular frequency of the local oscillator. Then the component of drain voltage in phasor form. So IF component of a drain voltage in phasor form so we can calculate the drain voltage of intermediate frequency G1 VC RF, that is RD into load impedance divided by drain resistance plus load resistance. After solving the equation, minus G1 VC RF plus J omega RF, capacitor between gate to source capacitor, then Ri plus Rg divided by Rd to ZL divided by drain resistance plus load impedance. So this is equation number 7. Using the conversion gain from equation 3, so GC is not match, so we can write down 2G1 RD divided by RF gate to source capacitor whole square multiplied by Rg, that is square bracket Ri plus Rg square plus Xg, capacitance of Xg, divided by omega Rf, capacitor bracket complete, into RL divided by square bracket Rd plus RL into plus XL, reactance of the inductance. Now this is the equation number 8. We can say that now we are conjugate matching. We use the conjugate matching at RF and IF ports. So we get, let Rg will go equal to Ri, Xg equal to 1 upon omega Rf into gate to capacitor, and RL equal to Rd and XL equal to 0. Then the gain conversion of the single ended FEC mixer is given by G1 square into drain resistance divided by 4 omega square Rf, capacitor of the square of the capacitor drain to source into input resistance. So this is the equations which gives the down conversion gain. We can see one of the numerical based on this, which will be C. Numerical based on this. single-ended FAT mixer. A single-ended FAT mixer is to be designed for wireless local area network receiver operating at a frequency 2.4 gigahertz. The parameter of FAT are as drain resistance 300 ohm, input resistance 10 ohm, gate to source capacitor that is 0.3 picofarad, and transconductance G1 is equal to 10 millisecond. Calculate maximum possible conversion gain. Then calculate maximum possible conversion gain, that is GC. So solution: this is a straightforward application formula of the conversion gain which is previously calculated. So GC is equal to G1 square into RD divided by 4 omega RF square gate to source capacitor square divided by input impedance or input resistance. So put the values of given. So G1 value 10 millisecond, 10s2 minus 3 bracket square, drain resistance value 300 ohm divided by 4 frequency 2 pi square 2.4 10 9 square into 10 value of R. So which is to be come out value of the capacitor is 0.3 10 to minus 12. So which is to be come out square 36.6 and in dB 15.5 dB. So this is the conversion gain. So in this way we can define a single-ended FAT mixer which will be shown this here. So in next lecture we discuss about the balanced mixer. So we can stop here. Thank you very much.